I just finished step 2, putting on the stuff that brightens it and lowers the pH. It's soaking wet right now. I think right now at this minute the deck is as good looking as it will ever be. It can't get any better than this. I wish there was a way to make it look this good with a stain or something. When it dries, the wood tends to be lifeless looking because there's just not a lot of life in it. I kind of almost wonder if I should put linseed oil or what on it, because right now this just looks incredible. I'm going to go down to the lawn too, because this is just, I wish it could look like this. I don't know how to get it to look like this. It's beautiful. If anybody knows how to bring out the color in a deck while it is dry, you know, whether you soak it with some kind of oil or what, I don't know. I wish I could make it look like this.